What's going on, traders? In this video, going to get a little bit of a trade recap going. This was a live trade that I took today, July 22nd, on my live sessions free on YouTube, 9:30 a.m. Eastern, almost every dang day. We'd be more than happy to have you on. Smash like, smash subscribe so you can hop on for the next one. Or don't, whatever you want to do. Let's hop into it. We were trading into the open, selling off, right? So we start to sell off down below VWAP here, kind of chop for a minute. We really start to find some aggressive sellers. Now, I like to trade these reversion back to VWAP style trades pretty aggressively, right? And I'm more happy to take a long these days as we are really pushed to the upside above all-time highs than I am a short. Looking for us to come down through overnight low and potentially prior day low was my first indication to start looking long. This was pretty aggressive. We were selling off. If we didn't find buyers here, I was looking for it around this zone and especially off the 20s that I'm going to show you a level on Bookmap that I had marked out. Now, this is coming off of a 15-minute level of structure. If we look left, we are down below. I'd have to scroll way back and change time frames here. But we are down below a level of structure. Looking left, I think from July 18th, right around this area. So let's take a quick look at Bookmap. I can show you what I was seeing on the order flow chart. Bookmap is my favorite order flow software. The way that I use this is the way that I used it today, really simply. Where do we have large levels of liquidity? Down below price. If we're starting to sell off, where is the last area of high liquidity? Down here at the 20s, right around this area. This is around that overnight low, prior day low level. I think this is actually overnight low right here, the 63.35s. We had some at the 32s, but down here all the way to the 63.20s. So my anticipation, right, my level of interest was really confirmed to wait down to the 63.20s if we were going to sell off aggressively, that we might find some buyers. We might fill these buy orders that are sitting here that we can see and you can see, whether you use Bookmap, a DOM, any form of order flow, and at least catch a little bit of a bounce. Now, my thesis wasn't that this was going to be the low of the day, which it actually ended up being. If I scroll out, you can see ES has really continued to push up from my entry down here, but that wasn't my thesis, and it's not my thesis as I'm trading for most mornings. It's that we might catch a nice bounce off of that, right? We might allow price to move below it by a little bit with a nice, decent-sized stop loss, but come back up to retest this level of structure, right, off of the 63.30s, right around that prior day low level, which is exactly what we did. We caught a nice bounce on that one. It was a very quick in and out trade. Again, this is fairly volatile. I'm pretty zoomed out on it. As you can see what the morning opened up looked like. Got long right here off of 63.21 and a quarter, right as we started to hesitate there, and sold all the way up here. Where is it? Yep, right past prior day low for a nice little grab. 434 points across a 7-pack of these straight to funded Sim Pro accounts, a little over $3,000 in profit. Not a bad way to snap a little bit of a losing streak on these live sessions. So if you guys want to check this out, you want to check out Bookmap, you want to check out Top 1 Futures, I'll link it all down below. Top 1 Futures still running a hell of a deal right now, 45% off these accounts that you're seeing me trade right here with code RDF. Better than the emails, better than the website, better than any of that fun stuff. If you want to check out Bookmap, what I was just showing you here, I will give you my link as well. Again, I'm partnered. I'm affiliated with both of these, Top 1 Futures and Bookmap. Important for me to let you know that, to be transparent. Can't be unbiased if I stand to make money. I'm a big bullish fan of both of these. I love Bookmap for the ease of use of that heat map, allowing me to read order flow in a very simple way, utilize it in a very, very basic dumb guy pattern recognition style that I like to apply to all of my trading as a technical based trader. And Top 1 Futures giving you the opportunity to leverage someone else's capital, limit your downside risk, and maybe work yourself towards some payouts in a live account. If you guys want to check this out again, I trade live here on YouTube almost every day, 9:30 a.m. Eastern. Quick disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor. I don't provide financial advice. Nothing I say or do is suggestion or recommendation to do anything at all. Trading's risky. Most traders lose money. If you trade, you're probably going to lose all or more of your money. Do your own research, make your own trading decisions, read CFTC Rule 4.41 on simulated trading, which is what this is, even in funded prop firm accounts, and the affiliate and partnership disclaimer that says I stand to make money from links and codes in my content, like Top 1 Futures, Bookmap, code RDF, and others. Talk to you guys soon. Hope to see you trading live.